if you're experiencing connection errors on your PlayStation 5, there are several steps you can take to improve your online gaming experience. Follow this easy guide to troubleshoot and resolve common issues. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. You can do this by testing your connection on another device or running a speed test. If your internet is slow or intermittent, consider resetting your modem or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Restart your PlayStation 5. Sometimes, simply restarting your console can resolve connection issues. Turn off your PS5 completely, unplug it for a minute, then plug it back in and power it on. This can refresh the system and clear any temporary glitches. Step 3. Update system software. Make sure your PlayStation 5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, then System, and select System Software. Check for updates and install any available updates. Keeping your system updated can fix bugs and improve connectivity. Step 4. Adjust network settings. Navigate to Settings, then Network, and select Settings again. Here, you can set up a new internet connection or adjust your current settings. Consider switching from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable connection, if possible. Step 5. Change DNS settings. Sometimes changing your DNS settings can improve your connection. Go to Settings, then Network, and select Setup Internet Connection. Choose your network, then select Advanced Settings. Change the DNS settings to use a public DNS like Google 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8, 4.4 or OpenDNS. By following these steps, you should be able to improve your PlayStation 5 connection and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. If problems persist, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.